suffocate. Stop dwelling on empty words. Stop stalling in the doorway.
Here 1 minute, gone the next. There's no heart beating inside your chest. It's vanished into thin air, never to be seen again. Never to be seen again. Never to be seen again. Never to be seen again.